how to unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook account. So if you want to unlink your WhatsApp from Facebook account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. Now go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now go with the profile. Under profile, you can go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and tap on edit under your profile settings. It will take you to the edit profile section. Now under edit profile, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with links. And under links, you will have a WhatsApp link. So if you've linked your WhatsApp to your Facebook, then you will have your WhatsApp link right here. So if you want to remove or unlink your WhatsApp from your Facebook, then you just need to simply go with the link, the WhatsApp link that you've added, and you will have the remove option on the bottom of that link. Or if you've added WhatsApp, then you will have remove on the bottom of that WhatsApp. So you just need to simply tap on remove and your WhatsApp will be unlinked from your Facebook account. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.